In this video, you will learn how to install SQL Server 2025. Let me first download the SQL Server here from the official site. Now here, just click the download link. Alright, after that you need to select here the version which you need. Here I will select this Express version. After the download completed, right click on it and run as administrator. Right. Proceed with the basic configurations. Here. Before installing, read the license term, select or click on accept button. Choose the location where you install. In my case here, C drive. Then click install. Wait after the installation completed. Installing alright. They are successfully completed. Let me check here, connect now here, click. Then already successfully installed, right? Now let me download the SQL Management Studio here. Download it, the latest version here. Click on download button. After the download completed, click on it and run as administrator. Wait after the installation completed. Now just open the SQL Server Management Studio and see the system name to connect to the SQL. Here, server name should be the system name / SQL Express. Here, connect. Right, successfully connected. Or the server name also by default here ./SQL Express, and the authentication, Windows authentications. Then click connect. Successfully connected. Right, here let me create the database. You can create the database either by graphical user interface or by writing the query. Here let me write the query to create the database. Create database, take for know-how DB. Right? Check the playlist to learn. Also subscribe this channel.